It's the one repair that will send shivers through anybody when your transmission's got to get. Well, no, it's a big repair.
It is.
Tell us about it. Like, what should somebody expect? How long does it take to get repaired? There's different types of transmissions. I mean, what should somebody expect when they're bringing in that car to go, I think I got transmission problem?
Well, and you know what? And that's a very good point that you started off that way, because that's the way you got to start it off. I think I have transmission problems. Can somebody verify this for me, please? Okay. Because a lot of times we get people come in and think, hey, my transmission's not shifting right, or it's not working right, and the car shakes. Well, it's an engine misfire that's doing. The check engine light comes on. It's like 700 things can turn that on, right?
Yeah. All right.
So is it a misfire? Is it a driveline issue? Is it the transmission? Right. So the first thing you got to do is check it out. Transmissions are very expensive. Everything's very expensive anymore. Yeah. But you got to make sure you're doing the right thing and getting after the right problem. And even if it's a transmission problem, let's say it's not shifting right, or it's got a shudder or something to that effect, or it goes into limp mode because the computer senses a problem and then it doesn't want to shift, it stays in third gear. Sometimes it could just be a solenoid in the valve body, because they're all electronically controlled anymore, right? Yeah. So a lot of times we can replace a solenoid and not have to redo the whole transmission.
Well, it must be such a relief to somebody when you can do that, right?
Yeah, absolutely, because it's getting more and more expensive to do all this stuff. Transmissions are big bucks. So if we can just put a solenoid in it for a fraction of the cost and off you go, that's the way to do it. But you've got to know how to diagnose it, which very few people can do anymore. And then you've got to be honest enough to say, yeah, it only needs that.
Yeah,
right?
Sure. Well, let me ask you, if I do need a new transmission, time-wise, what does that mean? Is my car going to be in the shop for a couple days, or how does that?
The parts availability the last couple of years have gotten to be, a few years really, have gotten to be an issue. Generally a week.
Okay.
You can get it in and out in a week.
Okay. So there you have it. If it sounds acting sort of funny, first have somebody diagnose it, because maybe it is just that little thing you were talking about.
Right. Yeah, hopefully.
I hope it is for you, and I hope you find out by going to this man right here. This is Brian from Weber Automotive. Give these guys a call.
Thank you, Randy.
Sure.